In our quest to learn how to add small numbers without counting on our fingers, we've come to the green belt. Now, what do we need to know for the green belt? Well, we know how to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to each other. So now let's try 9. Why 9? Well, let's get our old friends the ones elephant, the tens elephant, and of course, the rearranging elephant in to help us. Now let's say we want to add 9 to something like 5. Well, we know how to do this. The rearranger just moves one object up to the 9s to make it 10. And of course, we have to change the 5 to a 4. And there's our answer. Let's do that without the elephants. We move one object up to the 9 to make it a 10, and take away one from the 5 to make it a 4. Let's do that without the objects. We change the 9 to a 10, the 5 to a 4, and when we add those up, we get the same thing as 9 plus 5. So we just put the 4 there, and the 10 there. And there we are. And we didn't count on our fingers, or use a flashcard, or even sing a little tune. None of that. So we can add 9 as long as we remember the order of the numbers. We change a 9 to a 10, and the lower number to something 1 lower. And there's our answer. And the 9 doesn't have to be on top. It could be on the bottom too, and still get the same answer. Now there is one thing. Suppose we're trying to add 9 and 1, and we move the 9 over to 10, put it there, and move the 1 over, but there's nowhere to move it over to. Well, we could put a 0 there, but we could also just notice that 9 and 1 is 10. And believe it or not, that's all we need for our green belt. So we're ready to proceed to the brown belt. Okay, let's get to work.